तो चलिए आज हम लोग पढ़ लेते हैं एसएससी जेई में जितने भी सारे डांस से स्टैटिक जीके का जितने भी सारे डांस का क्वेश्चन आया है सारा का सारा पढ़ लेते हैं हम लोग। तो शुरू करते हैं। सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ इंडियन क्लासिकल डांस एंड देयर रेस्पेक्टिव डांसर। इलाम इंदिरा देवी मणिपुरी। द संगीत नाटक एकेडमी ऑफ इंडिया recognizes 8 classical dance from of Indian classical dance. Which of the following is not included? Chhau. Pandit Sambhu Maharaj is a renowned dance dancer. Kathak. Select the correct pair of Indian classical dancer of Odissi style. Sujata Mahapatra and Madhabi Mudgal. The Sangeet Natak Academy gives fellowship to eminent artists. Gopika Bharma received it for Mohiniyattam. Which of the following dance from which state? Kerala. अर्जुन सिंह ध्रुवे ए भाईगा फोक डांस टीचर रिसीव पद्मश्री 2021-22 टू विच स्टेट ऑफ बाइगन मेनली बिलोंग्स मध्य प्रदेश। इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डांस फ्रॉम द फेजेस ऑफ डांसर आर मेड अप टू लुक like painted mask and the costume consists of a full skirt, a heavy jacket, numerous gallant and necklace, and a towering headdresses. Kathakali. Manipuri, a recognized classical dance from the Manipuri, is recognized religious and spiritual dance involving god and goddesses, Lord Krishna and Radha. Bihar. In Bihar, which of the following dance is performed to please the god of rain? Indra for good rain and good crop. Jijaya. Vijayantamala, a famous Indian actress, was also an exponent of which of the following dance form? Bharatanatyam. In which of the following dance the basic dance performed is that of a circle that moves counterclockwise, where dancer from concentric circle the move opposite direction. Gharba. Sangeet Natak Academy, the National Academy of Music, Dance, Drama, in the meeting of its General Council held November 2012 in Delhi, awarded Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puruskar 2021 in the field of Hindustani vocal music to Janki Mithewala. Baguramba is a folk dance of which tribe of Assam? Bodo. Guru Bhampati, Chinna system. Satyam, a Padma Bhushan award, is well recognized for his effort for getting classical status. Which of the following dance form? Kuchipudi. Select the correct combination of Indian classical dance and their respective dancer. Anita Ratnam Bharatanatyam. The Abhinandan Saroja National Award 2021 was confirmed which of the following dancer? Aparna Sitasan. Which of the following classical dance style is a inscribed of a Gopuram of Chidambaram temple? Bharatanatyam. Darshana Javheri and Devjani Chalia are best known for their contribution to which of the given style of Indian dance? Manipuri. Which of the following classical dancer won the Padma Shri Award 2012 for the dance from the Kuchipudi? Godam Padmaja Reddy. Chhau is a recognized dance from which of the Sahitya Acharya received the Padma Shri. To which part of the country does this dance from belong? Eastern. In which century was the Kuchipudi style of Yakshagana consist by Siddhandra Yogi? 17th century.